What's up, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, cats and dogs? Today we're going to be doing a short little video on replacing the wheel studs. Now, I have the Polaris Sportsman 850, 2020 model. I don't know if you guys seen in the other video I was doing when I was adjusting the rear shock to make them firmer. When I was tightening up the wheel, I broke a wheel stud. Come to find out, did some research, it's a known issue. When you tighten these things down to 75 pounds-foot of torque, according to manufacturer specs, they break. And that's what happened to me. So anyway, I already got 2 of them replaced. I'm going to go ahead. I got the other one in today. Because unbeknownst to me, when I went to move the bike, the other one fell off. And so here we are again. So I thought I'd do this video for you guys. Again, this is thank you for joining in on my channel, Country Fried, and I'm Country Ken. And we're going to go ahead and get started. So your toes ready. Go ahead and take the wheel off. It's going to be 17 millimeter. Take these lugs off. I'm not torquing them down to 75, maybe 70, that's it, but not 75. So I'm going to go ahead and take these lugs off. Make sure your bike is in park. You get the brake on. Go ahead and take that off. Set that there. Now, I've already got these 2 replaced. I'm going to go ahead and do this one right here. And this is the original one. I'm pretty sure it's probably going to be on its way. So I'm going to do that at a later time when I order the other wheel stud and lug nut. But right now, we're going to do this, okay? So, first thing you want to do is get you some kind of, I don't know, there's all kind of names for these things. I call them a universal puller. Some call them a clutch puller. You can get it for like $12 at Harbor Freight. You can probably find it at Lowe's, Home Depot, Menards, someplace like that. So, this is going to be your best bet here. You can probably take a mallet or a hammer if you have a newer bike and need to replace them or swapping them out. This is just going to help push that wheel stud out. Provided I can do this with one hand. Okay. Okay. I'm going to need 2 hands for this, so let me stop right here, and then I'll come back and pick you guys up. All right, so after using 2 hands, you got to get this on here, and then you start turning this, and it'll slowly start pushing it through. Then once it breaks free of these threads, you can go ahead and pull it out. Now, as you can see, I'm going to be blocked by this spindle here. So I'm going to go ahead and move that. Let's just take the brake off. It's in park. Okay, neutral. Go ahead and spin it. Now you can go ahead and get that out. God damn. I do not know what all that is, but out with the old, in with the new. So now you're going to take your new one. And it'll line up with the spleens on there. I do not suggest putting oil on this because that is not going to work. So you just get it in there. I recommend you getting a washer or a bolt or something or a sleeve to put on there. Something loose. Not that's going to fit on the thread exactly, but you just want something as a cushion so you can put another lug on here and then pull that wheel stud through. As such, I'm going to use a little lug nut. We're going to go ahead and see, got it flushed, and that's how it's going to look. Okay, now take that off, take this off, make sure your backing is all good, and this is going to pull through. Now when you put your wheel on and you put the lug nut back on and you start tightening them up, that's going to pull it up in here a little bit more snug, so you don't have to worry about that. But you want to go ahead and make sure you get it pulled all the way through the first time so it can get into those splines. All right, and you grab the wheel. And you put your wheel back on. All right, went ahead, got the lugs back on. Take your 17 millimeter. I swear to God, if another one of these lugs break right now, I'm going to be so pissed. And there you have it, guys. That's how you replace the wheel stud if you ever have one broken off. Fairly easy, fairly quick. That's all there is to it. Now, I know you're probably saying, man, Country Ken, your bike is dirty. Yeah, it is dirty. And it's dirty for a reason. Because I'm going to do a video later, probably next week or sometime, when I ordered some Duracoating and some SC1, and I made a special wash solution. Again, I only use the Chemical Guys. I think the Chemical Guys is the best brand out there. Again, you can just use Dawn soap and they'll probably do the same thing, but I'm going to do something else here, coming up with a new solution for cleaning the bike. So I got to do a little bit of testing on it. I'm waiting for the Duracoating to come in, and I'm going to do a video on that. So stay tuned, guys. If you've been following me, I appreciate it. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I'm going to come back with some more videos, I promise you, and they'll be better. Again, I want to give a shout out to Brayton Price, Diego, ATV Adventures, all you guys doing those videos out there. Man, keep it up, man. Y'all doing a damn great job. I love those videos. I love watching them, you guys. I keep up with you guys all the time. And just keep it up, guys. I love it. I love it. But I'm not going to go on with this video. Again, I just wanted to do a quick video on how to do wheel stub replacement. If you have any questions, hit it down below. I'll get back at you. And again, that's it, guys. Peace. Take care.